YouTube. So this is in fact going to be a sort of mini vlog, and what I'm going to show you guys is some of the equipment that we use to make the vlogs on YouTube, and what we do when we're filming cars on the dyno and things like that. So I have everything laid out. So basically what I have in my hand here is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is a brilliant vlogging camera. Excuse me. Got the creator pack, which comes with the DJI microphone. It comes with a little hard case with the black lens and a wide angle lens. They're magnetic and they just click on. It comes with this, which is you click it in and it gives you like an extended battery. What I'll do is in a minute I'll flick to my phone and we'll film the actual what the unit itself looks like. For filming stuff externally on the dyno and for any sort of B-roll sweeping shots, I actually just use my phone. I've got the Samsung was it S23 Ultra? The lenses and stuff on Samsungs are really good. I mean, like, it's got multiple levels of zoom in lens. Like, if you look, just the amount of stuff that's on it is wild. The filming quality is really good. Films in 4K at 60 FPS, etc, etc. New to us recently is the Insta360 camera. I've recently got we were experiencing some wind noise, so what you can get are these stick-on Velcro pieces that you basically pop little bits of foam on them, and apparently that's going to, you know, bring the noise level down quite a lot. Of course, tripods. This one I've got with a little unit, so you can click your phone into it. I don't know why it's not working. Oh, it's because I've got it upside down. That's why. Let me quickly spin it. There we go. So you hook your phone in, tighten it up. For drone stuff, we've got the DJI Mini 3. It's not the Pro or anything along those lines. And I've got myself a sort of a bit of a nice Gucci hard case. Because again, we've got the More Fly edition, so you've got more batteries, the charger unit. It comes with the proper screen rather than having to use, you know, linking it up to your phone, because I use my phone for so many other things. This is pretty neat. So this is what I'll use as well. I'll hook my phone into it and you can get some really nice slidey shots. I think I just got it on Amazon. It was not particularly dear. I've had it for quite a while. I think you can buy them now, and they are motorized. So I think you can just sort of set them to like just automatically, you know, move along, get like a panning shot. It'll just have like a little electric motor, and I think you can like probably got different speed settings, so you can have it slower or faster. So that's pretty much everything that we use to film everything that you see on YouTube. It's sort of stuff that I've collected over time. Like I was saying, I use my phone. Hang on, let me quickly pop this down here. This is just like a little frame that you clip your phone into, and then you've just got a bit more flexibility. It's weighted, and it just makes life a little bit easier for like sort of getting steadier shots of stuff. So yeah, what I'll quickly do, I'll quickly switch to my phone and I'll film what the actual Pocket 3 itself looks like, because it's a wicked bit of kit. Right, and here it is. I'm now on my phone. So the Pocket 3, the actual unit itself, is this piece. Sorry, I don't know why it's not autofocusing. The actual unit is this bit. And then what you do is you click in this smaller piece, which is what this version of the smaller piece, that's actually an extended battery, but it gives you the adapter so that you can then chuck it on a tripod. And literally, you flick the screen. There you go. Obviously, built-in gimbal. There you go. Then it auto face tracks. Yeah, brilliant. Built-in mic, links with everything DJI. Then if you go that way, it's good for things like on Instagram and stuff. But it's all just, yeah, a little flick.
Take off.
So yeah, that is what we use to film all this sort of stuff. I'll usually take this one on board with me if I'm filming inside the car, and then I have another tripod set up at the rear of the dynocell that I'll click my phone into and then film when I'm doing runs externally. So we get a shot from the back like that. There's probably things I can do to improve sound quality, maybe external mics. But again, it's when I'm actually editing everything before it obviously goes live on YouTube. The sound quality is always really good. There's not much, actual audio mixing I have to do. Everything just sort of, I think technology is so good now, everything just sort of looks after itself. The software that I use to actually edit it's a free bit of software called DaVinci Resolve. There is DaVinci Resolve Studio, which I think is about $250, and that's basically what all professionals use for, in the actual movie and TV business. But the free version's really, really good, really powerful. There's only a couple of features that it doesn't have. So you can even do things like, in the free version, you can track stuff, delete stuff. It's just super powerful, yeah. So that is what we use. So yeah, that was just a quick little walk around with the bits that we use. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Just a quick little video. I'll probably drop in, some examples of B-roll and examples of cars on the dyno that we film. So yeah, thanks for watching.